Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and I'm here to help you create the best destination kit. Enjoy a vibrant paper crafting getaway that you can share with your besties. This kit makes 9 peekaboo cards with a fun vacay vibe. I'm going to leave these finished cards on the table as a point of reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your 9 cards. And don't forget to refer to your printed step-by-step instructions. If you have any questions about the products I use in this video, feel free to check out our What's What in Your Kit video linked in the description below. Now, I like to sort my kit before I get started. That way I know which parts and pieces are used for which card. Now that we're set up for success, let's get started. I prefer to do my stamping first. Stamp before you stick. Stamping can be intimidating at first, but don't worry, we've got this. We'll need our block, stamp set, and ink spot. Place your desired stamp on your block, open your ink spot, and we're good to go. For a clear image, you'll want to ink your stamp well. All it takes is a few good taps across the entire image. If you want to practice first, go ahead and stamp a time or 2 on your chipboard. When you're ready to stamp, ink your image, line it up, and press down firmly and evenly. What's great about these photopolymer stamps is you can see where you're stamping. And there you go. When you're done stamping, just grab a wet cloth, paper towel, or baby wipe to clean your stamp and put it back on your stamp sheet. For more tips on stamping, check out our How to Stamp video linked in the description. Now that we've stamped everything, we're ready to assemble our cards. As we make this kit, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause or rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Look at these beautiful cards. Our projects may not look exactly the same, and that's totally okay. Your personal touch and creativity are what make them special. If you liked crafting with a kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products, and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. These cards are perfect for friends, family, and coworkers who might be achieving new milestones, setting new goals, or embarking on new adventures. Until next time, enjoy!